Good morning, guys! Welcome to Vlogmas day 11. So I have been finishing my Christmas tree last night, and this is pretty much how it looks like. I'm still thinking to maybe put some blue in it. I don't know, it feels like it's a never-ending project. But so what do we got? We got some birdies, and I put different kinds of ribbons. I have this beautiful ribbon in here. I just made like a little loops. Then I have this one. I really love this. I think it's so pretty. You have some sparkles, and then you have some satin in the middle, and then this one, look how beautiful is this one. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, this is just stunning. So there was a lot of glitter and of course I have those mesh thing, and of course my little berries, or whatever you call them, silver and white. And yeah, that's pretty much. There's not much ornament, it's mainly lots of ribbon, but I really like it. So maybe I'll try to put some like blue in it as well, just to maybe keep it even more cooler. Like, this was my idea, to kind of make it look very wintry. And in here, you guys, I put the new table runner. This actually I had it last year. And then these are my little reindeers. And normally I put here a little like greenery here in this little vase. But I'm thinking maybe I should fill it out with just Christmas ornaments, like a maybe blue. I don't have any silver balls. Yeah. I'm thinking maybe I should put like the ornaments in here. So this would be my table. Okay, here is the second Christmas tree, guys. So this one is pretty much done. I added some ribbons, which my son is not happy about because he thinks it just made it too feminine. But I really love this ribbon. Look how pretty is this. And he was very unhappy about this today. So, and of course I put those, you know, those little color berries. So yeah, so this is the red tree, and I have two pieces of those, so I put it as well. So this is pretty much the red tree, which I would say is done. There we go. This is how it looks like. Again, I try not to put anything low, you guys, like on the floor and on the lower section of the Christmas tree, only because my dog is eating it. So I'm trying to keep it like a little bit higher for both trees. There's still a mess a little bit. My boys' toys, I'm trying to organize a little bit. So, but there is a Santa, our Santa, and there's a doggy bed. So I put some red ornaments in this wreath right here yesterday, and then we have two stockings. I only keep them as a decorations, you guys. And then I have more poinsettias in here, and I made this garland that runs across the TV, which my husband is not really happy about. Alright, if we go to the front of the house, you guys, we have my door decoration, which I don't know, maybe I'm mixing too many colors, you guys, but I opted for gold and this kind of white fake poinsettia on top of it. And I did put some fairy lights. Let me see if I can turn. I only have one remote in here, so let's see. Is it gonna work? Oh, there we go. So yeah, the other one is working too, but I don't have remote in here. It's in the kitchen. So I put those fairy lights, you guys. I don't know if it looks nice with them because I can see the wires, but I don't know. Let me know. See this one? Can you see the wires? Yeah, I can definitely see it, but I mean, it kind of looks cute. And this is the entryway, you guys. So I hang my little wreath on top of my mirror right here, and then here are my angels. I love those angels. This one is beautiful, and there's a third one hiding right there. There's of course my poinsettia, and then we have our nativity scene. So yeah, my boys kind of organize, and sometimes they play with the animals and three kings, and they try to kind of rearrange things back and forth. So yeah, but this is what it is for now, you guys. I think it looks pretty nice. So I still need to go see all this mess in there. I still need to go clean it up, and I have to put everything on the porch, and hopefully my husband can take all those extra ornaments back to the basement. So we had this pretty decoration there. We were gonna put it outside the house. We had it for the past few years, and unfortunately the lights are not working. So my husband was trying to fix it yesterday, but yeah, it's just not working. But I wanted to show you guys the frost. I mean, look at this. It is so cold. Everything is just frosty, but it's actually, look at this roof. Do you see how white it is? But actually it's going to be pretty warm today. So I think for the next week we're not gonna see any frost. So yep, I have to do my practice, you guys. I have tomorrow I start rehearsals for the weekend concerts. We have concert on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and this is pretty much like a major wave of work will be done for this year. So I have to do this. I have to also teach today. I have a couple of students now in the morning and then in the afternoon. And then I have to do the mommy stuff, which is, again, gonna be studying with my older son. He's in the 7th grade, and this is like his first finals. You know, I never experienced this because when I went to school in Poland, we never had any finals. You don't really have finals until you get to college. So to me, it was very confusing, but it's different in America, I guess. So yeah, I just did a little bit of the makeup today. I have some pimples, you guys, that I've been picking up. And yeah, I also on Friday, I think it's on Friday. See, I didn't write in my calendar, but I think I have my hair appointment because, oh my gosh, you guys, my hair is just, I need to cover some grays. And yeah, so I put some makeup. I have my Dior foundation on. I have some Hourglass blush, which I really like. And I put some, those are the Eyes to Kill by Armani, one of those kind of liquidy eyeshadows. I really like those. So yeah. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go to work. Oh, and by the way, I add some ornaments to my white Christmas. I think I'm finally done, you guys. I know I showed you this morning, it was all white, and I decided to edit a couple of blue accents. Oh my god, it looks so good. So as soon as I finish teaching, I'm gonna show you that, guys, because I feel like my my tree now, it's a perfection. And also my husband was doing yesterday evening, and today he was still morning, he was doing the lights outside the house. So I'm gonna take a footage tonight, and I'm gonna also show you how the outside looks like. And I think we're gonna be done as far as the decorating goes. So I have decided to add the blue to my tree. So I promise you guys, this is the final version of my white tree. So this is going to be like a Frozen kind of theme. I add those pretty bubbles. They are plastic, And I also had those little blue stars, which I liked, and some of the, see, some of the bubbles are almost like a navy. I really like it. Here's my pretty doe. I love that sparkly ones. That's really cute. And some of them are a little bit like a teal kind of color. I think it looks really pretty. And I feel like the blue is just giving a little bit more of the accent color. I feel like it's nicer this way. Maybe next year I'll go for maybe red accent. I don't know. Maybe green. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But this is what it is for this year, you guys. So this is my tree. One of my students was just here and she said, it looks like a professional made tree, and that was exactly my goal. So I'm very proud of myself, you guys. Hey Eddie. Hey doggy. He likes the sun. He likes to go in the sun, and it's getting warmer. Much warmer. No more frost. How you doing, buddy? You doing well? Do you guys know what's coming in the silver packages? Yep. Are you guys familiar with this packaging? We're gonna do the proper unboxing. Are you ready? Okay. You know what's coming, right? Do you recognize the silver packaging? Box in a box. Let's see, there's something else in here. Are you ready? I'm teasing you guys. I am teasing you. Alright, let's do it. Let's see. It's funny how they package their things. Oh wow, I did not expect this. Wow, this is something new. Oh wow. Isn't that supposed to be like orange? Alright, so it says Hermes right here. And I want to open this, guys. This is not for me. But, oh my god, there is an orange box. Oh, this is amazing. Is this, you guys, is this how they packaged these days? I don't know. My husband will have no clue what it is. It is a gift for him. But I want to unpack this because if you have been following me for a while, you guys know what kind of disaster I had with Hermes unboxing. Was it 2 years ago? Or 3 years ago? 2 years ago, whatever. I ordered a click-clack bracelet and they sent me an empty box. Do you guys remember that video? Oh my god, this was such an horrible experience. And I promised myself I'll never order anything from Hermes. And here I am again. But it's not for me. So all the gentlemen there watching, this is something that each man should have. So I have to check before I give it to my husband, because I don't trust them anymore. Okay. Dun, da, da, da. So I got my hubby. I think you guys can you see it? This is a tie. Let me take it off because I think the white is like washing it. So I got him a typical H. I forgot exactly what it's called, but I'll try to link it down below and find it for you guys. This is the tie, one of those, you know, classic silk tie, and you have all the H's, you know, kind of all over the tie. There we go, you guys. This is the info, and I hope there's no price on this because I don't want to pack it. There's like a little MS logo here. It's 100% silk. I think it's really pretty. What do you guys think? Has a, you know, those H's are very subtle. I was really kind of thinking, you know, which color should I give it? Should I buy it for him? You know, because I really like the typical orange, you know, Hermes orange, but I thought this would be probably the best for him because he wouldn't really wear orange, to be honest with you. So yeah, so this is what my husband's gonna get. My original thought was to buy him there was this very beautiful navy Louis Vuitton tie, but I didn't jump on it right away, and a few days later when I was checking the website, it was already sold out, and I just didn't want to call and ask. I hope my husband will like his gift. I also got him like a bunch of dress shirts that he wanted to get from Nordstrom, and they were like his favorite design, and they were expensive. They were like $140 each, so I got him a bunch of those. And yeah, I also got him during the Black Friday sale. I got him like a lot of like t-shirts and polo shirts and like kind of, you know, everyday after work outfits, I guess. So he's gonna get a bunch of clothes, but he doesn't know that he's gonna get this, so I hope he's gonna like it. I really like this, you guys. This has a lot of sparkle here. Yeah, I think my reeds came up really, really pretty. I will finish the vlog here, you guys. I'm gonna go edit and do some homework with my boys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye!